And welcome back to 3rd grade math. My name is Jibin Joseph, and I'm here to help you guys out with some 3rd grade math. So let's start with number 1. 18 divided by 3 is equal to A. Well, A is equal to what? That's what we're trying to figure out. Well, if we know our times tables, we can make this easier. So, this is the same thing as 3 times A is equal to 18. Well, 3 times 1 is equal to 18. Well, 3 times 6 is equal to 18. So the answer for A would be 6. 2. B times 4 is equal to 20. Again, this may look hard, but actually no, this one should be pretty easy. It's just B times 4. And what times 4 is equal to 20? Well, that would be 5. But if you know your division, but not your multiplication, you can always do 20 divided by 4 is equal to B. And then your answer should be 5. 3 is C. 25 divided by 5. That's the same as 5 times C is equal to 25. And 5 times, 5 is equal to 25. Number 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to D. That's the same as 4 times D is equal to 16. And that means D would equal 4. 5. 28 divided by 7 is equal to E. Well, that's the same as 7 times E is equal to 28. So 7 times 1 is 28, that would be 4. And finally 6. 24 divided by 4 is equal to F. That's the same as 4 times F is equal to 24. And we all know 4 times 6 is equal to 24, so F would be 6. Alright, so let's move on to 7. So this is just the same thing as what we just did, so let's just continue. Number 7, 21 divided by 3 is equal to G. Well, that's the same as 3 times G is equal to 21, and we all know 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 8, H times 6 is equal to 24. Well, we all know 4 times 6 is 24, so B would be 24. But you can also write this as 24 divided by 6 is equal to H. I don't know why this says B, this should be H. 9, 32 divided by 8 is equal to I. Well, that's the same as 8 times I is equal to 32. And we all know I is equal to 4. Because 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 10, 5 times j is equal to 35. We all know 5 times 7 is equal to 35. But you can also write it as 35 divided by 5 is equal to blank. Or is equal to j. We go to number 11. K times 7 is equal to 21. We all know 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer would be 3. You could also rewrite it as 21 divided by 7 is equal to k. And that also gives you 3. Number 12. 30 divided by 5 is equal to L. We can also write this as 5 times L is equal to 30. Oop. Sure, that's an L, not a 1. And we all know 5 times 6 is equal to 30, so L is equal to 6. 13, 2 times M is equal to 20. So this one's a little bit different, but not as well. It's just that the number is on this side, or the variable is on this side, and the number is on this side. So 2 times what is equal to 20? Well, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So you can also write this as 20 divided by 2 is equal to M. And finally, number 14, 42 divided by 7 is equal to N. That's the same as 7 times N is equal to 42. And we all know 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Alright, so now let's just go on to complete. So 10 divided by 2, let's start number 1. 10 divided by 2 is equal to blank times 1. Well, we all know 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. If you need help, you can always do 2 times blank, or let's just say x, is equal to 10, and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And then, what times 1 is equal to 5? Well, if 5 is equal to blank times 1, we all know anything times 1 is just itself, so the answer would be 5. 2, blank divided by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. Well, we know 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And then a way we could do this is just multiply 2 by both sides to cancel out the division, and you should get 14. So number 2 should be 14 divided by 2. Number 3, 40 divided by 5, that'd be 8 is equal to 4 times blank. And we know 4 times 2 is equal to 8, so the answer would be 2. Number 4, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 8 minus what? Well, 20 divided by 4 we know is 5. If you need help, we can always do 4 times, let's say b is equal to 20, and then 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Alright, and then 5 is equal to 8 minus blank. Well, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So 4 would be 3. 36 divided by blank is equal to 18 divided by 2. Well, 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. And then 36 divided by what would equal 9? Well, we know 36 divided by 4 would equal 9 because 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So let's do number 6. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8, which is equal to blank times 2. And then we know 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so the answer would be 4. 7, 6 times 4 is 24, which is equal to blank times 3. And then, so we all know that 8 times 3 is equal to 24. 8, 2 times blank is equal to 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. And we all know 2 times 3 is equal to 6, so the answer would be 3. 9, 4 times blank is equal to 6 times 6. We know 6 times 6 is 36, and we know 4 times 9 is equal to 36. And finally, number 10, 9 times 2 is equal to 3 times blank. Well, 9 times 2 is 18, which is equal to 3 times blank. And we know that 3 times 6 is equal to 18, so your answer would be 6. So yeah, I know I went a little fast, but I hope you guys understood. So now let's go on to your favorite word problems. Alright, so number 1, Kyle made 18 muffins. He put 3 muffins in each bag. How many bags would Kyle fill? Well, if he made a total of 18 muffins, and he put 3 muffins in each bag, how many bags? That'd be 18 divided by 3, which would equal 6 bags. But if you need help, you could always do 3 times m is equal to 18. And then we know that 3 times 6 is equal to 18, so your answer would be 6. And then we could do number 3. Leela has 5 packs of stickers. Each pack has 8 stickers. How many stickers does she have? Well, if she has 5 packs of stickers and she has 8 stickers per pack, that'll just be 5 times 8. And since we know our multiplication tables, this would be 40. So that is equal to 40 stickers. You know, we could do number 4. Jean has 9 toy cars in each of 3 boxes. Estimate the number of toy cars she has in all. So if she has 9 toy cars in each of 3 boxes, that'd just be 9 times 3. And since we know our multiplication tables, we know that is 27 toy cars. You know what? Since I know you guys are feeling serious, let's just do number 2. Complete the whole packet. Alright, so Belinda has 24 trading cards. So she puts the cards into piles of 6. How many piles does she make? Well, if she has 24 total trading cards, then 24 divided by 6, which is how many cards there are per pile, she'd get the amount of piles. So 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4 piles. And if you need help, you could always do 6 times p is equal to 24. And we all know 6 times 4 is equal to 24. And yeah, class, we did the entire packet today, so I hope you guys understand. Well, my name is Jimmy Joseph, and I'm here signing off, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Have a good day.